Good afternoon, students. Phylum Platyhelminthes. Phylum Platyhelminthes. Mean platy, flat. Helminthes, wow. Flatworms. I have drawn a tapeworm. So, liver fluke. Let this be tapeworm. Done. See how the body is, because we have to begin the phylum with the name of the flatworm only. Flat worm. What should I write? General characters. General characters. Body is dorsoventrally flat. दोनों तरह बॉडी डॉर्सोवेंट्रली flattened. Body is flat. Dorsally ventrally body is flattened, leaf like. Correct? हो गया. कुछ important, many much more characters are about to tell. We just wrote the first sentence. Body is flattened and leaf like. मेंबर्स के सिमेट्री क्या है बताइए? बायलैटरल सिमेट्री. मेंबर्स आर bilateral symmetry. Members are possessing bilateral symmetry. They have a organ level of organization. Organ है body में. Example, muscles. Tissues have become a thick muscular organ in you. Muscle band has been generated. All the tissues are there. Excretory organs have come up. So organ level of organization. And members are triploblastic. And for the first time, what coelom is this? Acoelom, pseudocoelom or eucoelom? Acoelomate. Acoelomate. Bilateral symmetry, organ level and triploblastic, and members are acoelomata. Turn back your what? Basis of animal classification. Acoelomate, pseudocoelomate, eucoelomate, true coelomate. Platyhelminthes, Aschelminthes, Annelida onwards are all eucoelomate. So body में body cavity coelom is absent. Look, I will take a cross section of this. इसको आधा काट ही देंगे. Okay, so this is outer ectoderm. Let this be inner endoderm. Now between this outlectoderm and inner endoderm, body is not having a सीलोम, इंस्टेड सीलोम से मीसोडर्मी नहीं है, सीलोम भी नहीं है, filled with the tissue called parenchyme. We have written the word parenchyme, right? Acoelomates, in which body cavity is absent. मैं इस एनिमल का ऐसे क्रॉस सेक्शन लिया हूं. I taken a cut section of this animal, outer, inner, middle. Outer, inner and middle. So body cavity is absent. Instead, it possesses parenchyme tissue. Okay, Acoelomata is said. Most important feature of your member called platyhelminthes. Most important feature of platyhelminthes. Coming to the next part, members are mostly parasites. They depend for their food on another animal. Parasitic forms. मच्छर भी बॉडी पे एक बैठ के खून चूसता है. लीच will also take the blood. Cows and buffaloes को बॉडी में, have you seen these ticks? Ticks and mice, these are also parasites. Mostly parasite means somebody should be free living, no? Who? Planaria. Mostly parasites. A few like members, planaria. Only one example. Few members like planaria are free living. Mostly parasites. A few members like planaria are free living. Good. Now ये भी पैरासाइट है, वो भी पैरासाइट है. लिवर फ्लूक, लिवर इनसाइड द लिवर, कैटल के लिवर, आदमी के लिवर में जाके ये पैरासाइट कर देता परमानेंट. सर हमारे बॉडी में ये लिवर फ्लूक आया कैसे? यू आर ईटिंग द पिग, यू आर ईटिंग द कैटल, यू आर ईटिंग द शीप, not properly cooked. उसके अंडे, उसके larvae, when you swallow through meat, it goes and develops in your liver. So that is what called liver fluke. Correct? That is called what? Liver fluke. It is very thin, body dorsoventrally flat. That is a very much long thread-like tapeworm, tape, ladi, thread, right? Ladi hulu, tapeworm. This is liver fluke. What members are these? Parasites. Mostly parasites. Few of them are free living. Example, few of them like example planaria. These members are free living. उससे पहले क्या बोले आप? Acoelomata. Ectoderm endoderm के बीच mesodermal lining is absent. Totally it is absent. Coelom is absent. In that place it is filled with parenchyme tissue. Therefore you are acoelomate. इससे पहले triploblastic animal, even though 3 layers are there, mesodermal is not able to make any tissue inside. So triploblastic, even though you are triploblastic, you are acoelomate. Okay, true mesoderm is not lining, but it is having 3 germ layers in its embryo. 3 germ layers where it's in embryo, but this animal did not make a mesodermal space. So it is acoelomate. Note carefully, triploblastic but acoelomate. Organ level, muscle से, organ से, सब बहुत specialized है. वो help of the muscles only they will be moving. Very rigid muscles are there. Bilateral symmetry. That point you wrote. Now come to the next thing. Mostly parasite ना. हाँ. अब parasite को evolution में nature ने कुछ खास structures दिए हैं. Mostly parasites. What? Parasites possess hooks and suckers for attachment. आप कस के पकड़ के रखना. किसके साथ? होस्ट के साथ. Permanently attached. Now can you see this? This is called as sucker. Can you see this? This is called as hook. Yes. These members possess hooks and a sucker. These members possess a hooks and a sucker. Why? For attachment to host. For attachment to the host. Great. Now, what about your digestive system? Only one opening, mouth. Anus is absent. So can I call complete or incomplete? Incomplete, because only mouth. Anus is absent. So incomplete digestive system. In the members like tapeworm, digestive system is totally absent because पूरे बॉडी सरफेस में ही वो फूड को खींच लेते अंदर. क्या रे वाह तुम. इन सर्टन मेंबर्स ये अटैचमेंट के लिए हुक्स फॉर अटैचमेंट, suckers to draw the food, but in members like your tapeworms, digestive system ही totally absent है. You will absorb the food directly from the host body to your body, direct food. You just go and stand like this, food enters into your body. Wow, रे, such a lucky you are. Correct. For rest of the members, आप खाना बनाओ, आप लाओ, मैं उसको पकड़ के खाना है, उसको हजम करना है. Nothing. You are such a one who food only will enter into your body. What to do? That is what Platyhelminthes speciality is. So what I have to write now? Parasitic forms possess hooks and suckers for a attachment to host. Digestive system is incomplete. Bracket, only mouth. Digestive system is incomplete with only mouth present. Next feature. In some, like tapeworms, example. Here also an example we gave, we have underlined it. Here also example we have written, in between it has come, we have underlined it. In some like tapeworms, digestive system is absent. Means is understood that the full body is involved in absorption of food. You have to understand that the complete body is involved in absorption of the food. अब आए सर इनके excretory system, nervous system, circulatory system, respiratory system. What about that? Excretory system पहली बार Platyhelminthes में देखा गया है. We are able to see the excretory system means in the form of cells called flame cells. They look like ज्वाले. When you put a burner, your gas stove, it will come out same. They look like this. They are called as flame cells. Flame cells are solenocytes. Watch. Circulatory system, respiratory system is absent. Both are absent, but for excretion, body से waste निकालने के लिए, I'll just clean the border. Please allow me to cleanse. Circulatory system, respiratory system is absent, but for excretion and osmoregulation, excretion and osmoregulation. What is osmoregulation means? बॉडी के सॉल्ट पीएच जो भी रहते हैं वाटर के साथ बैलेंस करना. इतने सॉल्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन को इतना वाटर, पीएच सॉल्ट जो रहता, पीएच सॉल्ट एंड वाटर बैलेंस, ऑस्मो रेगुलेशन. ओके, pH to water salt balance. Ionic concentration, electrolyte concentration, ions, electrolytes, potassium ion, hydrogen ion, Na plus Cl minus NaCl HCO3 minus के साथ वाटर को बैलेंस करने में ऑस्मोरेगुलेशन. बट फॉर एक्सक्रीशन एंड ऑस्मोरेगुलेशन these members have okay, the cell looks like this. We call this cell as flame cells. NCERT has mentioned very clearly, right? This is the nucleus and this is called as flame cells, also called as solenocytes. Solenocytes. Flame cells are solenocytes. Okay, so that was the most important point. Now what about your nervous system? In the previous members of Coelenterata, loose nerve nets kuch bole the. Okay, now here you will take this animal like this. Two long threads are there and transverse threads are there like this. This is the nervous system. This is the nervous system. Two long threads and transverse. Hey, kuch to hai. अच्छा खासा ही nervous system है. Can you see this? This is called like a ladder. एणी, निच्चणिगी. This people local will call निच्चणिगी. हमारे चित्रदुर्गा, दावणगेरे, शिवमोगा people will call एणी. Correct? Yes sir. So this is called as ladder type of nervous system. Nervous system, that is ladder type. Right? So this word is specifically not in your book. If you feel it is extra, it is fine, extra only. Meaning of ladder is longitudinal and transverse. Okay? Longitudinal and transverse. बस हो गया. प्लाटीहेलमिंथस के कुछ बहुत खास चीज. Right? Nothing else. So flame cells is already on the board. Ladder type is already on the board. Coelomata triploblastic. Your parasites, your hooks and suckers are there. Digestive system is incomplete. For somebody like tapeworm is absent. Now last, sir, reproduction. Members are bisexuals. एक ही organism में male and female reproductive organs both are found in the same individual. We are call you again as hermaphrodites or bisexuals. We call you as hermaphrodites or bisexuals. So last, reproductive system. These members are bisexuals or hermaphrodites. These members are bisexuals or hermaphrodites. So, internal fertilization, with direct or indirect development? Indirect. Many larval stage. Eggs hatch होने के बाद बहुत सारे लार्वा आ जाते. Internal fertilization with many larval stages. Not bus. Example, liver fluke. Scientific name, Fasciola. Second example, tapeworm. Scientific name, Taenia. Scientific name Taenia, commonly called tapeworm. Fasciola, commonly called as liver fluke. One more example. Already we load this. Is not eye. Eye like buds. These are not eyes. We call this structure as planaria. Bracket Dewjacia. Scientific name Dewjacia, common name planaria. So kindly note, total 3 examples. Actually scientific name I wrote in the pink. Now anyhow, this is scientific name. Planaria is common name. This is the only animal which has high power of regeneration. Just note. Planaria has high power of regeneration. I feel sometimes I would have been Planaria C. You cut my body into 4 pieces. Each piece will become a new Planaria. That's what I have written. These members have high power of regeneration. Mistakenly, hey, itna rehta, 4-5 टुकड़े में बट गया, काट गया. Such cells are there in the body who will make you to create from anterior and posterior a new organism. बॉडी के अंदर इतने टोटीपोटेंट सेल्स है, सुपर. सो हाई पावर ऑफ रीजनरेशन इज सीन ओनली इन दी प्लानेरिया, हैज टू बी नोटिस्ड वेल. सो दिस कंप्लीट्स योर हु platyhelminthes, right? Enough. If I have written 7 to 8 characters, it's okay. Sometimes 9 to 10 characters also will become. We can't do anything because we are preparing for the direct NEET में जाओ भी दो, क्या तो भी दो, हम लिखते हैं. Okay, NCERT is definitely there. उससे हटके थोड़ा आगे भी चल रहे हैं. Not too much, just little bit. I know ladder shape on nervous system word is not given there, but so what? Nerve system is longitudinal line transfer, look like ladder, because this word ladder type will be seen in the MCQs while you are solving. You should raise a question. What was this ladder type? No, they are nothing but longitudinal and transverse nerves. Start. Aschelminthes. Meaning of ascos, round. Helminthes, worm. Ascos, round, worm. Members are also called as Nemathelminthes. With only one major group called nematoda. With one major group called nematoda. Nemathelminthes, one major group called as nematoda. Now, for whom are we calling nematoda? Means, if you just see a spoonful of soil, if you take microscopic, hundreds of nematodes will be there in that soil. कुछ बड़े भी रहते, बहुत सारे microscopic level रहते. I don't know, just a spoonful. A spoonful means maybe शायद इतना बड़ा. If you take a spoonful from the soil, you will be seeing a microscopic hundreds of nematodes. One particular group only, which are very microscopic members, we call them as nematodes. And they are going to infest a plant also, animal also, man also. किसी को भी नहीं छोड़ते. ये कौन? nematodes. जो बड़े बड़े वाले हैं हम शायद ऑलरेडी देख चुके. Have you heard the word जंतुड़ू in the stomach? Stomach में जंतुड़ू. That comes under this roundworm only. I'll write that animal shortly enough, right? So now I'm telling you, a spoonful of soil from the earth definitely possess hundreds of microscopic nematodes. First point of your this is an extra information. Let me mark you. This is an extra information. It's not in your syllabus, but you need to know what these people are. So So this is spoonful. Sorry. A spoonful of these members are fine, they are microscopic, they are our nematodes, they are our roundworms. These members are parasites. These members are parasites too. These members are parasites even to plants, animals, and even humans. चलो ह्यूमन को एक पैरासाइट जो बोर्ड पे लिख देंगे और उसके ऊपर स्टडी कर देंगे. ओके. Human parasite belonging to the group of nematoda, which is very large. See, good, Bapre, done. So now this is human nematode known as Ascaris. Common roundworm. Common roundworm. Now talk. Now kindly talk about the next features. You said members are again usually parasites. Majority means ऐसे कोई free living है तो ऐसे नहीं बताए. All examples quoted there are parasites only. These members are, when you take a transverse section, इनको ऐसे बीच में cut कर दिया तो the body appears to be in transverse section. These members in transverse section, these members body appears, these members body appear to be circular, perfectly like this, circular, right? Hope I have taken a section, I cut off the animal. बीच में से ऐसे ब्लेड लेके ठैक पीस, राइट? पापा, हाँ पापा, नो, यस. I cut off the animal and the body appears to be circular. In members, body appears to be circular. Therefore the word roundworms. Now quick, no wasting time. Members are bilateral symmetry, triploblastic. Members are bilateral symmetry, triploblastic. What coelom? Pseudocoelomate. What coelom? Pseudocoelomate. Organ system level of organization. Organ level system of organization. bilateral symmetry, triploblastic, pseudocoelomate, organ system level of organization. Previous phylum was acoelomate. This animal is pseudocoelomate. Look, now this is well developed mouth with muscular pharynx. Hooks and suckers लिखने की कुछ भी जरूरत नहीं है. माउथ बहुत अच्छा है, pharynx भी बहुत अच्छा है, muscular, that you can take the food from the host body. So we'll write NCERT line only, your NCERT line itself. Mouth with well developed muscular pharynx. Mouth with well developed muscular pharynx. Mouth with well developed muscular pharynx. Next part. In these members, excretory system has an excretory pore. देखो, excretory system के लिए एक छोटा सा excretory pore has been observed in these members. Excretory system has an excretory pore. OTK. And next thing नया बात क्या है कि digestive system is complete with mouth and anus. Excretory system has excretory pore. Digestive system is complete, है ना? Mouth and anus. जैसे जैसे फैलम आगे बढ़ते गए, कैरेक्टर्स भी उतने डिक्रीज होते गए या एडवांस होते गए? Advanced means characters started becoming simple or complex? Complex, advanced. Digestive system is complete. Excretory system has an excretory pore. Excretory system has an excretory pore. Digestive system is complete. फिर भी respiratory system and circulatory system is absent. It occurs by general body surface. मेरे पूरे बदन ऑक्सीजन को अंदर लेगा, मेरा पूरा बदन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को बाहर फेंकेगा. प्लीज, ओके. सो योर रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम एंड सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम इज स्टिल एब्सेंट. नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग, नर्वस सिस्टम में तो कुछ ऐसा स्पेशल बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. दे हैव गिवन वाटर. दीज मेंबर्स हियर शो सेक्सुअल डायमॉर्फिज्म. दीज मेंबर्स शो sexual dimorphism. What did you mean by this sexual dimorphism? Means first time in the animal kingdom male and female are separate. They are unisexual. Male देखने में, female दिखने में perfectly, there is no confusion. This is male creature, this is female creature. See, members show sexual dimorphism. They are unisexual. They are unisexual. Correct? We call unisexual members as dioecious. Unisexual members as dioecious. Hermaphroditic members are called monoecious. Mono, एक में दो, एक जान, मेरा एक जान में दो. डायोशियस, दो जान में दो दो अलग अलग. मेल ऑर्गन, फीमेल बॉडी, फीमेल ऑर्गन. Members are unisexual and show very well sexual dimorphism. Can you tell in this sexual dimorphism? Look. These members, males are smaller. They have curved tail. Last में tail जैसा छोटा end is there which looks like a curved tail. Females are larger. Females are larger with blunt ends. No, just for your reference I am giving, because I use the word sexual dimorphism. Male can be distinguished from the female. Males are smaller with curved tails. Female are larger with blunt ends. Correct? Nervous system, not necessary. Excretory system, excretory poria is given. Right? Next. Circulatory system and respiratory system are absent. Now, what about fertilization? Fertilization is internal. Female के body के अंदर होता, correct? Male and female reproduction, yes. Fertilization is internal and development is indirect. Indirect means through a larva. बस बहुत हो गया. Baba, we completed Aschelminthus. Nothing is there to tell about Aschelminthus. Body is roundworm. You are nematodes. You are parasites. So much you are microscopic. कुछ खास नहीं है बोलने में. क्या खास था? Pseudocoelomate खास था. क्या खास था? Complete digestive system. Mouth with well developed pharynx. Mouth with well developed pharynx. Excretory system has excretory pore. Next, what special thing is? These members are unisexual. That is a new thing. Sexual dimorphism is present. That is also the new thing. Male and females can be distinguished written on the board. Females are larger with blunt ends. Chalo. Examples on the board is Ascaris, commonly known as common roundworm. Other examples, and we will stop. So, number 1, Ascaris. Number 2, Wuchereria. Commonly called filarial worm. Correct? One more. Ankylostoma. Ankylostoma, bracket, hookworm. Sorry, I have written in 3 different places. Please manage. Ankylostoma, hookworm. Ascaris, roundworm. Wuchereria, filarial worm. 3 examples of your NCERT for this Aschelminthus. For your coming test on Sunday's portion, you will be studying up to, from where? Phylum Porifera up to phylum Aschelminthus. Porifera, Coelenterata, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes. Today, Aschelminthus. 5 phylums. We'll be back again tomorrow. Thank you.